Hello guys, good morning. See. Hey guys, good morning. Today we came to a congested road just to show you how our alert system works. So we have the sensors all around the car. We have the sensors. If any, those are parking sensors. So if any vehicle or anybody, pedestrians, if they come closer, the car gives alerts. And also I have extra feature, which is this MI 70 my dash cam, and in this, see, it is telling me attention to pedestrians. So this is what I want to show you. Okay. You see, I'll speak less, so I want you to observe this. Whenever there is pedestrian, I mean जो लोग चल रहे आदमी और cycle या bicycle, this kind of things, so it will give you alert. So try to hear this sound. Oh, चल बे स्क्रीन बंद हो गया शो. Today is Sunday, so it is very congested today. See? See, this is the alerts it gives me. So getting alert is not I got a comment that somebody saying this car has a lot of alerts, so this is very annoying. So guys, what I understand, alerts are actually good to give you alert. This is a rider, that's why it is telling me attention to rider. So for me it's quite helpful, because you sometimes you see but you don't notice. ক্যামেরার ওর কাছে ধর যাতে ওর সাউন্ডটা ভালো ওঠে. Crossing a railway bridge, I mean over bridge.